Hello guys, today we are going to do some things with Client Manager. Let's open it, and to connect to the server, let's create two variable, string variable, and the one of them is private const string port, IP, and is equal to 127.0.01. Okay, for the port, let's duplicate this and change it into the port, and I want to do this in integer. Did we specify any port in the server before? Let's check in game server. Let's see. As we said, we should use this constructor in program, and if we specify something in, it should be here, but we didn't type anything, so let's specify. Let's add the using game server library, using game server servers. Okay, now server is equal to new server, right? And as you remember, it takes two parameters. The first one should be IP string and the other one is port. And here the IP string, it should be same thing, sorry, not here, and we need a port, and I will use 6688 port, and you can use something else, but I will use this, and let's type server.start function here, right? As we said in the previous lecture, we will use this in program. Okay, now let's use the same port in client. Let's type 6688. Okay, now in onYet function, let's create as client socket, and we need to add the library. Let's add this system.net sockets, and this client socket should be new socket. And if you remember, what should we type here? In game server we typed, as you see, the server socket is equal to new socket, address family inner network, socket type stream, protocol type TCP, and I don't want to type it again, or we can let's type it again to get used to it. And address family dot inner network and socket type dot stream and protocol type dot TCP. Okay, now let's using these two variable client socket dot connect to the server. Let's first parameter should be IP and the other one is port. As you see here, the connect function belongs to sockets. Okay, now, and actually that's it, but here I want to take this into a try catch. Let's see if we can let's cut this and type try, paste it here, and let's not forget to catch the arrow exception E, and let's type debug.log, let's type E, and add the library system. Okay, now let's close the connection when it ends. In onDestroy function, I copied this and paste it here and change this connect into the close function. Like the connect function, this close function belongs client socket too. And that's it for this lecture. I will see you in the next lecture.